All right, so today we're going to be working on a 2003 Ford F350. We're going to be changing out the window switch. Really simple task to do. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to pop up the front here. So you're just going to pop it up, pull it out. This tab on the back side here, you do not want to pull it up from the rear of this because it will break this tab. All right, so now that you've popped this out, go ahead and take out the electrical connection. So push down and just pull. There you go. And the next thing that we're going to do is we'll go ahead and pop this out. All right, so if you look here, there's a tab right there, and then there'll be one on the back side also. Right here, right down there. Okay, and so what you're gonna do is you're just gonna get behind it and lightly pry out. Do not use force because you will break this piece of plastic. And then what you're gonna do is when you push it out, you're gonna pull up just slightly. I don't use very much force, like I said. So what you're gonna do is just pop it. So it just pulls up a little bit. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna flip it over. Do the same thing over here, but you also want to pull pressure up because you don't want this to go back in. And then what you're going to do is just drop it straight down behind, which if you notice, this has been cracked already. And then what you want to do is just get right behind here, like so, and then pop it out. All right, so when you're installing this, if you notice, this side is smooth. This side over here has a little ridge to it right there. And what it's gonna do, it actually is gonna fall right into this ridge here. So you can't get this messed up. I mean, if you stick it one direction like this here with that tab and you start sliding it in, it won't go in at all. So what you wanna do is just flip it over so the tab's on the other side, push it in until it locks. Once it locks, go ahead and hook up your electrical connection right here. You want to hear a little click on both. And then go ahead, slide the back in first for the tab, lock it down right there. And then you're just going to push straight down and lock that in place also. All right, so the next thing that you want to do is test it out. So go ahead and put your key in the ignition, turn it to accessories, and let's go ahead and see if this actually works. Works perfect. And there you go, success. You can buy these off of eBay, Amazon, and I prefer OEM, which is the original equipment that was made by the manufacturer. Or you can buy what was in there. This was an aftermarket one, and they do work, but they don't last as long. So hopefully this video helped you out. Please subscribe and like, and I will be uploading a bunch more videos for the F250s, F350s.